Remote Desktop Protocol, or RDP, is the default Windows tool for remote desktop access, widely used but often targeted by cyber attacks. It's difficult to secure and lacks fine control. In this video, see how TSplus Remote Access goes beyond RDP with stronger security, easier setup, and better control. RDP allows users to remotely access their Windows desktop from virtually anywhere. Whether you're at home or abroad, it puts your Office desktop, files, apps, and all right in front of you. Instead of streaming a video of your screen, RDP transmits display updates and your input, like mouse clicks and keystrokes, back and forth between your device and the remote system. This makes it highly bandwidth efficient. And the best part? It's built into most Windows systems. No extra installation is needed on the server side. Just enable it and you're ready to go. But with that convenience comes some real-world concerns, especially when it comes to security. RDP's wide availability also makes it a target. It typically runs on port 3389, a well-known and often exposed entry point. Cybercriminals and bots constantly scan the internet for open RDP ports. Once found, they launch brute force attacks to guess passwords and gain unauthorized access. While RDP supports encryption and other security features, default settings often lack proper hardening, such as network-level authentication, firewall rules, or multi-factor authentication. That leaves systems exposed to real threats. So how do you keep the flexibility of RDP without opening the door to attackers? Meet TSplus Remote Access, a smarter, safer way to use RDP. TSplus Remote Access delivers everything you love about RDP: remote control, flexibility, and full desktop access, but closes the security gaps. Instead of exposing port 3389, our software routes all traffic through a secure, encrypted HTML5 web portal using standard HTTPS ports. Users connect through their browser. No client installation needed. TSplus Remote Access works across all devices and platforms, making it the ideal solution for IT departments, remote teams, and SaaS providers. Let's see how it compares to traditional RDP with help from Arthur, our IT expert. Arthur, let's walk through how TSplus Remote Access stacks up against traditional RDP.
With standard RDP, your system may be exposed through port 3389, especially if misconfigured. It also locks you into desktop-based clients, and limiting access to specific apps requires remote app and RDS licensing, which is complicated and expensive.
And how does remote access improve that experience?
It gives users secure access through their browser. There's no need to open ports or install client software. You can easily publish just the apps users need. No full desktop required. And there's no complex RDS setup or licensing to worry about.
Over 500,000 organizations rely on TSplus Remote Access to power secure remote work.
It's fully compatible with Windows RDP and allows HTML5 browser access with no exposed ports. You can also enable app-based access instead of exposing the full desktop.
And paired with TSplus Advanced Security, you get enterprise-grade protection, including brute force blocking, IP filtering, and ransomware defense. Download your free trial today at tsplus.net and discover a smarter, safer way to deliver RDP-based access with TSplus Remote Access.